Hello students and welcome to the video class of foundation course. In previous class I discussed the compound angle and its formula. In this class I am going to explain some more compound angle formula. Now let's start. Compound angle formula: sum or difference in the form of products. In the form of products. Sum or difference in the form of products. Suppose number 1, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. Okay, and this is equal to how is obtained? Proof. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is equal to what? Sin A plus B means sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is our, and another term sin A minus B plus sin A into cos B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So cos A into sin B plus here and cos A into sin B minus here. So this goes cancel. Sin A cos B plus sin A cos B. This is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. Therefore RHS. So the formula is proved. Now number 2. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to what? 2 cos A into sin B. This can be proved similar to the above formula. Proof: sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. This is equal to same formula, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B minus here sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So what is here? Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B minus sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. So sin A into cos B plus here minus, so cancels. This is cos A sin B, cos A sin B. 2 cos A into sin B, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now number 3, formula number 3. Formula number 3. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B. right? So proof cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Apply the formula cos A plus B. This is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So again here cos A, this formula, into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Sin A into sin B. So sin A into sin B minus here plus goes cancel. Remaining here cos A cos B plus cos A cos B. This is 2 times cos A into cos B. Clear? Then formula number 4. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to what? Is equal to 2 sin A into sin B. So left hand side what? Proof. This is another formula. So proof right left hand side cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is equal to what? Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B minus cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Now this is equal to what? Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B minus cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Clear? And this is cos A into cos B plus here minus. So cancelled. Sin A sin B plus sin A sin B. That is equal to 2 sin A into sin B, sin A into sin B. Hence proved. Okay. These are the another formula of the compound angles. Now this is sum or difference in the form of product. Now product in the terms of difference of squares. Product in the terms of difference of squares. Product in the terms of difference of squares. Products in the terms of difference of squares. Products in the terms of product in terms of difference of squares. Difference of squares. Product in terms of difference of squares. This is and this is what? Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B, which is equal to what? Sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. So sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. This is another formula. We have to remember all the formulas to solve easily in the case of trigonometric problem. So proof, write the left hand side. What is left hand side here? This is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Apply the formula sin of A plus B. This is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is one term. Another term is sin A cos B minus cos A into sin B. Okay, this is one term and this is another term. So A plus B, A minus B. Apply A plus B, A square minus B square. This is equal to sin square A into cos square B. A square means sin A into cos B total whole square. So we can write sin square A into cos square A minus cos square A into sin square B. Cos A sin B the whole square total square. We can write cos square A into sin square B. This is equal to what? Sin square A. This is cos square B. Clear? And cos square B, cos in terms, write cos in terms of sin, cos square in terms of sin square. So it is 1 minus sin square B. Again write cos square in terms of sin square A. This is equal to 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. So this multiply this sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B. Clear? And this is minus sin square B, and this is sin square A into sin square B. This is B. Sin square B. Sin square B. So sin square A into sin square B goes cancel, plus minus here, and which is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Got one part proved. Another part, cos square B minus cos square A. This is now sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. This can be written as, what is sin square A? Means 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A. What minus, what is sin square B? 1 minus cos square B. So x, this is equal to what? 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus cos square A minus 1 plus what? Cos square B. So plus 1 minus 1 goes cancel. It is cos square B minus cos square A. Hence proved sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Again, second formula, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Second formula, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Clear? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A. Proof. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Apply the formula. This is left hand side. Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay? And another cos A minus formula, cos A minus B formula, that is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Clear? And what is here? A minus B and A plus B. So apply the formula A square minus B square, that is cos square A in cos A into cos B whole square. This is cos square A and cos square B. Clear? And this is sin A into sin B whole square. This is sin square A into sin square B. We required cos square A minus sin square B. So cos square remain as it. So cos square A, this is 1 minus sin square B. And we required sin square B. So keep this silent. This is sin square B, and here 1 minus cos square A into sin square B. And just multiply cos square A minus cos square A into sin square B. Minus what? Sin square B minus minus plus cos square A into sin square B. This opposite sign goes cancel. So what is here? Cos square A minus sin square B. First formula is proved. Now for second, cos square A minus sin square B. This can be written as cos square A means 1 minus sin square A, and minus cos square B means 1 minus what? Sin square B means 1 minus cos square B. So simplify this. This is equal to what? 1 minus sin square A minus 1 plus what? Cos square B. So minus 1 minus, this is plus 1 and this is plus 1 and this is minus 1 goes cancel. This is equal to what? Cos square B minus sin square A. Okay, hence proved. This formula is proved and this formula is proved. Now some other formula related to compound angle. Some other formula related to compound angle. Some other formula related to compound angle. Some other formula related to compound angle, which are very essential for the very short type question. Okay, and suppose this is formula number 1. 1 minus 10a divided by 1 plus 10a is equal to what? 1 minus 10a divided by 1 plus 10a is equal to what? 10 45 degree minus a. 10 45 degree minus a. And second one is 1 plus 10a by 1 minus 10a is equal to 10 45 degree plus a. Now one can be proved. One, these are two important formula, and now we have to prove first one. Proof of 1. This is equal to what? Left hand side 1 minus 10a by 1 plus 10a. In place of 1 we can write 10 45 minus 10a divided by 1 here. Here we can write 1 into 10a. No change. So plus 1 right here. For this one, this is 10 45 and this is 10a. 10a minus 10b divided by 1 plus 10a into 10b. Which formula? This is 10 of a plus a minus b. So 10 of a means 45 degree minus b1 means a. Similarly, second proof. Second proof 2. Similarly, proof 2. For proof 2, this is what? Left hand side. Left hand side is equal to what? 1 plus 10a by 1 minus 10a. This one can be written as 1045 and plus 10a. Divide by what? Divide by 1 here. 1 into 10a we can write here. So this one can be written as 1045 degree into 10a. So this is equal to 10a plus b. 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a into 10b. So 1045 degree plus a, which is equal, this is proved and this is also proved, RHS. This is RHS and this is also RHS. For question number 1, this is proved, and for question number 2, this is question number 2. Then question number 3, 4. Question number 3, formula number 3. Formula number 3. Formula number 3. Formula 3. Cos A minus what? Sin B, or sin A minus cos B. This can be what? Suppose this is 1 minus tan A by what? 1 plus tan A formula I discussed here. So suppose write tan A. Tan A means sin by cos. So cos A minus sin A formula will be cos A minus sin A divided by cos A plus sin A is equal to tan 45 degree minus A. Tan 45 degree minus A. How is obtained here? Right? So this is equal to what? Proof. This is cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. Cos A plus sin A. Okay? And divide numerator. Divide numerator and denominator. Denominator by cos A by sin A. Sin A or cos A, right? Cos A divide by cos A. So cos A by cos A. This is cos A by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Similarly, denominator cos A by cos A plus sin A by cos A, which is equal to cos A by cos A means 1. This is minus 10A, 1 plus 10A. This is which formula? 1 minus 10A by 1 plus 10A equal to which formula? This is equal to tan 45 degree minus A. Formula number 1 from formula number 1. 1 minus 10A by 1 plus 10A. We already know 1 minus 10A by 1 plus 10A equal to tan 45 minus 45 degree minus A. Similarly, formula number 4. Formula number 4. Formula 4. Formula number 4. Reverse side. Cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A equal to tan 45 degree plus A. Same proof. Left hand side. Same proof. Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. So divide by cos A by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A, again cos A by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Divide numerator, short form NR. This is numerator. NR means numerator. And denominator. DR means denominator by sin A. Sorry, by cos A. cos A. This is equal to 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. Which formula? This is tan 45 degree plus A. These are the some formulae of compound angle. So my dear students, please remember the formulas and write the formula for one at a 1 plus. Write the formula, all formula at 1 plus. Okay, and remember the all formula to solve the questions of trigonometry easily. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.